Hey designers, let's create a photo manipulation in Photoshop using the two provided pictures. First, open the camera image in Photoshop. Then go to File, select Place Embedded, and place the landscape image with the elephants. Move the landscape layer below the camera layer. Next, select the camera layer and lower its opacity so that you can see the elephants. Adjust the placement of the elephants by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard to transform and scale the elephant layer so that the elephants fit within the lens of the camera. Once you're satisfied with the placement, set the opacity of the camera layer back to 100%. Create a new layer. Use the ellipse marquee tool to draw a circular selection that fits inside the camera lens. Adjust the selection using the arrow keys on your keyboard to ensure it's perfectly aligned. Then, select the camera layer and press backspace to delete the area within the selection. You can now delete the newly created layer. Finally, press Ctrl+D to deselect everything. Next, select the camera layer and click on the Layer Mask option. Ensure black is selected as your foreground color. Then, select the Brush tool, making sure to choose a very soft brush. Decrease the flow amount for the brush. Before applying any brush strokes, ensure that the white rectangle, the mask, is selected. Begin applying brush strokes to the image, working carefully until it looks good. Continue brushing until you're satisfied with the effect. Once you're happy with it, use the crop tool to adjust the canvas size. Press Enter when you are satisfied with the crop. Then, press Ctrl+0 to fit the canvas to the screen. To make further adjustments, select the white mask rectangle again and continue applying the brush to the sides until you achieve the desired look. Once you're done, add a color lookup adjustment. Go to Adjustment Layer, select Color Lookup, and choose the filter called Fuji Eterna 250D. Finally, decrease the opacity of the color lookup layer slightly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.